Shanti class, we have already proved two theorems of similar triangles by the criterion angle, angle, angle and side, side, side. Now we are going to do the third one, that is side, angle, side. By which criterion? Side, angle, side. Now it's in this theorem, if one angle of a triangle is equals to one angle of the other triangle and the side including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. Right. So what is given to us here? That there are two triangles ABC and triangle DEF such that AB, or in first I'll tell you that angle A and angle D, they are equal. It is given to us that angle A and angle D are equal and side including them. What are the side including them? AB AC and DE DF. So they are proportional. It means AD upon DE is equals to AC upon DF. Right? This has been given to us. And what do we have to prove in this question? We have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now again on DE, cut. Right? DP equals to AB and DQ equals to AC. Join PQ. Okay. Now in triangle, now it's a proof. In triangle DPQ and DEF, DP upon DE is equals to DQ upon DF. Right? So, in place of DP, what does it do? In place of DP, I can write AB. So, AB upon DE, and in place of DQ, I can write AC. Because we have already said ki take DP equals to AB and DQ equals to AC. I think till here it is clear to you. Right. Now, in triangle DEF, we have DP upon DE is equals to DQ upon DF. So what does it mean? It means PQ is parallel to EF. Okay, by BPT. So what will we come to? Angle E is equals to angle P and angle F equals to angle Q. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. But triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Right, because angle A is equals to angle D, side AB is equals to DP, side BC is equals to PQ and side AC is equals to DQ. So we know this. So what do we come to? We know angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle P, and angle C is equals to angle Q. Right? You know from CPCT. And you all know now why they are congruent? By, congruency. SAS, side angle side. So we come to the conclusion that angle A is equals to D, angle B is equals to P, and angle C is equals to Q. So you know angle, now what will come to? Angle A is equals to angle D. Now angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle F. Because right now I told you that angle E is equals to P and angle F is equals to Q because they are corresponding angles. So we come to this conclusion now. So this shows that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by which property? Using A similarity, okay, criterion. Right? So let me do one question based on it. Now in the figure, AO upon OC is equals to BO upon OD is equals to 1:2. Yani the side AO is proportional to the side OC, right? And OB is proportional to OD. Clear to you? So in triangle AOB and triangle COD, AO upon OD, OC is given to you as BO upon OD, that is given, right? Angle AOB is equals to angle COD. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angle. Right. So using side angle side. So you know na, this side is equals to this side is equals to this, and the angle between them are equal. So it is side angle side. So by SAS similarity criterion, so we have now, as you know, these both the triangles AOB and COD are similar to each other by SAS similarity criterion. We have triangle AOB similar to COD, so AO upon OC is equals to BO upon OD is equals to AB upon DC. Now we know AO upon OC is equals to BO upon OD, that is given to us as half. You take it as half. AB is given to as 5 centimeter. So AB is 5 centimeter upon, it is what? DC. So cross multiply. So it will be, what will be at DC equals to? DC will be equals to 10 centimeter. Okay class? Right. So we have done all the three criterion for the similarity. And what are those? Two triangles are said to be similar by, there are three criterion for it: angle, 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 side, 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 and third one is side, angle, side. Okay. Now these theorem no need to learn, only you should know how to prove them, okay, and how to apply them. Okay then. Thank you class.